Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is take your seeds and your plants and put them in these planters right here, and they grow your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. And they grow and they grow and grow. Within 20 feet, we can do about 50 melons. 50 melons. Look how healthy they are. You don't see any rotting like you have. You don't see any bugs over them like you have. And one of the reasons why is because we're growing them in a torpedo pot. These are self-growing planters. You see them right here? All you do is put your seeds in your plants, and those 9-inch planters, 9-inch now, 9-inch planters are growing these huge melons. The melons are bigger than the actual planters themselves. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? My melons are gorgeous. These are torpedo pots. We don't have problems with that food at all. We grow it like you've never seen before, and they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. And we have lots of them. So all of our plants now are productive. Every plant has yielded watermelon in a containerized growing system. Remember now, this is not in your garden, okay? You don't apply first pesticides and different types of herbicides, and you don't have to till the ground. You don't have to have underground water systems. You don't have to weed. You don't have to have irrigation systems set up. Torpedo pots, all you do is throw your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. Now, I can see this tendril is not completely dried up yet. See it? But I'm going to pick it anyhow because I'm going to show you what's inside of it. I'm eager. So what we do is that we come off and we just wash them off. And we cut it up and ready to eat it. Now, funny thing about torpedo pot is that I have a seed. I threw my seed in there, and a 9-inch planter now, the watermelon is practically almost bigger than a 9-inch planter, and it's growing my food for me, all right? I can grow anything. I choose to grow watermelon. We grew about 17 tomatoes in these planters a year ago. So 17 tomatoes, you can get watermelons growing out of your planter. One thing I want to share with you is that it's not about the amount of soil. It has nothing to do with the grow area as much as it is the quality of soil. With torpedo pots, you never water, you never feed. You simply put your seeds in a planter and they grow your food for you. You do never, ever have to grow your food again. So those who say they're deficient and don't have enough food, this is a 9-inch planter that's supplying melons for a lot of people. 50 melons, could you use 50 of these? Or would you rather go to the store and pay $10 for it? You choose. I'd rather have 50 of these than I would spend less than 5 cents to grow all of these melons. 5 cents to grow all of these melons. You're making a grave mistake. You need to change the way you're gardening. Every year you have to go and do your gardening over and over again. Turn over the ground. You've got to supplement the soil. You've got to bring in irrigation systems, pesticides, herbicides, tillers, and all that stuff. Torpedo pot, all I do is throw my seeds and my plants in that planter. I supplement once a week, and I have food for the rest of my life. Let's go take a look at it. I love my food. Now, this is big, but again, it may not be fully ripe, but let's find out anyhow. I'm eager just to see what it is inside of it. Just to see it. Things a little green. Oh, but look at that. It's still developing. I picked it very young, okay? I just want you to see it. I'm going to taste it too. See what it tastes like. Good job, Daryl. As they mature, it gets sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. So you see how big this one is? These are yet to get that size. So I've been waiting to eat this. So I want to do it with you guys. So let me get this right. I have a melon that it's not fully red, it's not fully ripe yet, okay? I'm eating it, and a lot of you are surprised. The reason why you're surprised is because it doesn't look like the melon you have in the store. Do you realize the melons you have in the store are chemically produced? Do you realize they're not real? Do you realize you're eating food that's not real? I'm not. My food is real. As a matter of fact, You see the seeds in there? Well, they'll last me for the rest of my life. So, let's do the math. I bought seeds for 5 cents. I can grow 50 or 60 melons, cost you pennies on the dollar. You go to the store, well, 50, 60 melons, which I can have. You go to the store, spend $10 on a melon that's not real, it's purely chemicals, whose content is not naturally genetically produced, and you're happy. Are you kidding me? Do you even know what's going on here? You're eating bad food that's not equipped for your body. And you're exchanging all of that for 5 cents to grow an eternal amount of food, to pay $9 or $10 for a melon, and you only eat it for a day. God bless you. Torpedo pot is a growing system that grows your food forever. Once I start my crop, I'm not worried about it. I'll have food for the rest of my life. Wow. Well, this is where a lot of your food at. But somehow somebody told you that you have to wait till something gets to a certain stage to eat it. Let's take, for instance, mint or something. Is there an age to mint where one, as it starts to develop and mature, that one phase gives you more nutrients than the other phase? No, that's not true. Let's try spinach. Let's try tomatoes. Can you eat the leaves and the stems and everything off the tomatoes? Yes, you can. Peppers. Can you eat the leaves and stems off the peppers? Yes, you can. Let's try watermelon. Somebody told you that this fruit has to be this way in order for you to be a good consumer, for you to buy it, and you to trust them that this food is good for you for the rest of your life. Think about it. You have tumors, you have heart cancer, you have heart disease, you have so many diseases related to the food that you eat, and yet you still refuse to take care of your body and your mind. Dude, I love you, but there's nothing more we can do about it. You have to put 2 and 2 together to take care of yourself. Don't be paralyzed by fear. Be paralyzed by decision, being focused on what you have to do and what you have to achieve. Take care of your family, take care of your food supply. We're so successful at what we're doing in terms of growing food. Right now, we're building solar houses for free and giving people a lifetime supply of food. Yeah, we're providing a lifetime supply of food for people and a lifetime supply of electricity for people who engage in torpedo pot. Free food, free electricity. You're only paying for the house and you have it for the rest of your life. Most of you guys, when you buy your houses, you don't have this type of productivity because you have to turn the ground over and all this other stuff. I don't need to do it with my torpedo pot. Just throw my seeds in. I don't need all that soil. I don't need my neighbors to know and get into my business. I have my own private stash going for me behind closed doors. Nobody even knows it's here. I can feed myself for the rest of my life and nobody will even know that I'm here. That's the goal of torpedo pot. I love this, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love this. Tell you a little secret. A lot of you realize what the watermelon juice that I just ate was probably one of the most purest juices in the world. Because it's made naturally. It's not man-made. It's not from a bottle. All those bottle juices and bottle waters, they don't compare to natural food and natural juices and natural waters. The minerals, the nutrients that it provides your body, after this fruit has filtered it all, it filtered all of the minerals and everything else, to get this juice into your hands, that's a miracle. That's a miracle. So what I'm getting now, there's no comparison to your bottled water. There's no comparison to your tea. There's no comparison to your coffee. It's called real food. Get real food and stop getting addicted to processed foods, because when you become addicted to it, you'll never be able to break free. Because, well, the ecosystem and the agricultural system will become reliant on producing you processed foods, sugars and starches, and they will destroy you. You need to make a decision. John Radisson, torpedopot.com. I love my food, and I'm going to make a difference in my body and my life. And I have to determine what's more important to me. You can make all the money in the world, but if you don't have health, at the end of your line, when you come to the end of your health line, you're going to be crying out, asking for more time, wondering what you could have changed a bit differently. So pills and vitamins and all that stuff, get rid of it. It's all right here in the torpedo pot. You get your pills and your vitamins right here. You got all your natural juices and everything else right here. I love it. 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 Mm. So, when you start to mature and ripen even more, it'll be awesome. This melon, probably if I let it stay on about another week or 2 weeks, it'll start turning red. But right now as it stands, it's delicious. Excuse me. It's sweet. I have no problem in the world. I love my torpedo pots. They're self-growing planters. You put your seeds in your plants in these planters and they grow your food for you. You will never have to worry about food again in your life. Food is not an issue. We've got you covered. Stop worrying. Get a torpedo pot. Get your life back. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.